everyone, welcome to another Trading View update. More sideways action both on Ethereum and Bitcoin, with a bit of an interesting wick on the 4 hour, especially on the back of the bull market Litecoin fake news. Before we look into that, I quickly want to talk about the quarterly options expiring end of next week. So Bitcoin first. You can see predominantly favoring the bulls at the moment, so call put ratio at 1.93. That said, the vast majority of those are currently out of the money. Bitcoin trading, at 45K, so in and around here. So everything in the green out here is completely out the money. Couple more puts in the money at the moment, but at the moment, there is still a week and a half to go. But if prices stay here, then a lot of these options will be expiring worthless. On the actual chart for Bitcoin, yeah, we're trading somewhat higher than we were yesterday. That support at 44K still holding more or less, although we did have that wick to the downside, which bottomed out at 43.5K. Now, looking at this chart, you've got 44, we've got, what have we had? We had an initial test of the 43.8K around here. We've had a move lower as well. This wick kind of found support here. We've had this level here also being tested already once. So all of these previous support levels on the way up have been tested already. The only one that we really have yet to see is this guy here. And that's more or less the target that we still have over the next week. So 42.5K is still definitely very much in play. Let me show you where that is here. And as I mentioned yesterday as well, the potential scenario for the next few days, weeks, could be something along the lines of this, where we'll see a move down towards 42.5K before reversing higher for the bull run to continue. Let's see how that plays out. So far, it's looking okay. I would say very briefly that we've got a potential golden cross forming. Not that that's too. I mean, you see people write about it online and how it's going to, how it means that we're going to have a bull run over the next few days. But honestly, whenever one of these crosses happen, price can go either way when you look at the historical moves. So just to show you so that you are aware of it, you've got the 50-day and the 200-day moving average converging at 46 more or less, a 50-day moving above the 200-day moving average. It should be noted that at the moment, spot is trading below both of those moving averages. Now, quickly looking at Ethereum. Ethereum has been a bit more positive than Bitcoin, not as affected by the news on Litecoin and Walmart. Intraday short-term support still at 3,200. If we do drop below that, we're looking at 3,000 as that critical area of support. Now, is on the option side as well, less kind of weighted towards the bulls. I think the call put ratio there is only at about 1.6. Again, yeah, 1.6, so that's good. We're currently at this price level here. So again, vast majority of calls expiring worthless if prices don't change. Puts going to be a little bit more in the money, but we're still a week and a half away. A lot of things can happen. So don't take your eyes off it just yet. That's it from us. Have a good trading day.